So hi guys, hope you've been well and you've been trading the market. So today is on Tuesday, the 16th episode. Caleb has done his pairs and I'm going to do only 4 pairs. So I'll start off with gold, but for gold I'll do for you an in-depth analysis only looking at gold, covering the long-term picture of where we see gold moving. Probably a 10 to 15 minutes video, that will be how long the video will be, but not today, probably by the end of the week. So on Thursday or Friday, we'll make sure to upload the video on YouTube and you can check it out. But for now, I'll give you the setup that I have on gold. So we'll start off from the daily chart, and this is my daily chart on gold. I have a channel and gold has been moving in this channel for quite some time now. I actually had 2 channels, then I refined, and now I have this big picture which I'm looking at. And inside the channel I have the Elliott wave pattern. So I have wave 1, wave 2 as you can see. Then you had the wave 3 which was a big extension, and now we're looking for wave 4 which is a correction of wave 3. So actually we had a drop all the way from 1340 to 1285. 1285 acted as a good rejection point, and ever since that day we've been having bullish momentum taking the market. We expected some bearish momentum to come in at 1305. Actually on the last analysis we did, we were talking about the close below 1305 or a close above 1305 deciding on where the markets will be headed. But you had a close above 1305, and on the site I uploaded saying that the next move will be expecting a move to 1325, and 1325 will now decide whether it's bears or bulls. Honestly on this one I'm more bearish than bullish, probably 80% bearish on 1325. So I'm actually looking for a good shot currently where the markets are trading. So probably today's close, I expect some bearish momentum to be coming back in, and I expect some big move all the way to 1265. So probably around 400 to 500 ticks from 1325 to 1265. That's a long trade which you can take, and I'm pretty solid or pretty confident that it will play out as expected. So on the 4-hour chart, looking at what has been happening, you can see precisely we've been forming lower highs and lower lows. So one lower high, lower low, and using the Fibonacci pattern we can see that the recent lower high was formed at the 61.8 retracement, actually 78.6, and we expected an extension to 1325, and you can see 1325 has been capped, not really, but we have a shooting star formation at the R2 level, and bears have been taking over and the markets are heading lower. So if we get a good close below 1315, moving averages crossing over, a break of the trend line, that confirms my short bias and my move all the way to 1265. But if we come and we bounce at the 1315, actually touching the trend line, and we can see some bearish momentum, some bullish momentum coming back in, then I'll take that to be a short squeeze of those who are already coming into the market for those shorts in the market, and probably get a move to 1330 before having the short that I'm talking about. So for this one I don't see any bullish plays coming into the market, but you have to remember fundamentals right now. With the weak data releases, then probably we could see gold skyrocketing up, and that's why I'll be doing the big picture that you can see on gold, because of where the markets are currently. We're expecting some recession, and the markets are trying to price in some recessions, and probably we'll get a move back up. So that's my insight on gold. Short term, maybe we'll get to 1315, then go back to 1330, then you get a short to 1265. A break of 1315, moving averages crossing over, a break of the trend line close below the pivot point confirms my short bias, and they move all the way to 1265, which will take probably 2 to 3 weeks to confirm definitely. Not a straight leg downwards, but that will be a good trade. So that's on gold, and I'll go down to the next pair, which is dollar Canadian. So that's all from us guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to criticize and comment down below so that us guys can improve the videos and make the videos better for you guys. So that's all. Have fun guys.